All right. So now what is the next posture? Let's learn one more standing pose. Today I am going to teach Veerbhadrasana, the warrior pose. It's a beginner's level standing pose. This pose helps to improve strength, stability, focus and balance. So anybody can do this pose. As always I say, remember one thing. You just need to be careful that don't over stress, be gentle, take your time. So there are various forms of Veerbhadrasana. Today I am going to demonstrate Veerbhadrasana 1. Okay, so let's see how to move on to the position. Let's get started. Okay, so I am going to start with my left side. You observe, understand the pose, alignment, focus, breathing. Then try it once I finish the demonstration. To get into Warrior 1, stand tall and straight in Tadasana. So you are familiar with Tadasana. With your legs hip distance apart and arms on your sides. Let's take a few breaths. Now spread your legs wide apart by a distance of at least 3 to 4 feet for good alignment and safety. Turn your left foot out to face the left side of the mat. The other foot will turn inward to make a 45-degree angle. Just observe. Now, twist your body to left completely. Go forward on your left knee, making a 90-degree angle. Make sure that your knee does not cross over the toe. Let the other leg stretch properly. Now go into a Namaste position, Namaskar Mudra, and lifting your arms up above your head. Look up, separate your palms, okay? Arch your back a bit and stretch. Inhale and hold for 10 seconds. Breathing out, bring your hands down from the sides. Take a few breaths. Let's repeat the pose on the other side. Now turn your right foot out to face the right side of the mat. The other foot will turn inward to make a 45-degree angle. Okay? Now twist your body to right completely. Go forward on your right knee, making a 90-degree angle. Let the other leg stretch properly. Now go into a Namaste position and lifting your arms up above your head, look up, separate your palms, arch your back a bit and stretch. Inhale and hold for 10 seconds. Breathing out, bring your hands down from the sides. Couple of more breaths. Now relax. So that was Veerbhadrasana, Warrior Pose 1. Try and switch your legs so that you are strengthening both your legs. Okay. Now come forward. Let's practice together. I'm sure you are going to master this pose gradually with patience. So make sure you practice this powerful pose regularly. Don't get discouraged by the initial lack of flexibility or strength. It improves over time. Take your time. Listen to your body. Be gentle. Do not push yourself.